Today I want to explain the difference between frugal and cheap. You know that they're not the same thing. I'm a frugal person, but I'm definitely not cheap. Why should you try living a frugal life in 2024? Well, frugal living has a lot of added benefits that most people are not aware of. Often people, give you ads on social pressures telling you that you should buy something without really needing it at all. Well, no more of that. Frugal living has to do with being conscious of what you're doing. The first thing we need to talk about is how you save money by just employing a few frugal living ideas. Simple frugal living ideas may just end up saving you lots, tens, hundreds, and even thousands of dollars in the long run. Secondly, frugal living will keep you out of debt. Because you are consciously thinking of what you're spending your money on, what you're investing your money on, and all the different things you do with your money, thinking about what you're doing, just by thinking about what you're doing will help you and is a very important frugal habit. Making sure that you're only spending where it counts, on things that you're most likely to use. Not unnecessarily splurging and going into unnecessary debt. Those who know that it is to be extremely frugal is to save a lot of money compared to be spend happy peers. What does that mean? You can be frugal and happy. You're just thinking and conscious of what you're doing. So you want to be always thinking. You don't want to be surprised at what you're spending your money on. If you're conscious on what you're spending your money on, you always think about it before, you will know what you're doing. So you don't want to use surprise tactics. You want to make sure that you're always thinking about what you're spending your money on. And certainly, last but not least, frugal living may decrease concerns over money and spending less and saving more. This is a massively important thing when it comes to mental health and stressful habits.
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.